Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the search menu not working, not searching, not opening and any other problem in Windows 11. The first step is go to the taskbar and right click and select taskbar settings and click on enable option search bar and turn on, and you can show this option. And the second step is go to the start menu and search for task manager and hit enter. Search for explorer.exe or Microsoft Explorer and right click and select the first option, click on restart, and this is all. Your search bar works properly, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.